Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection. What I want to share with you actually in this particular video is that what we want to be looking for this old house, well over 100 some years old. But I wanted to share with you is that a lot of times these old houses have caught a fire one time or another. This one here, look here, it is just literally burnt. And they've tried to sister a joint or another raft or a floor joist right alongside of it. Unacceptable, will not hold, because look at the integrity of this. Look at the integrity of this. There's nothing there. And so they think them bolts are actually going to hold something. This is really sad. This is what you want to be looking for whenever, because a lot of these old houses have coal stoves in them. And the old coal stoves, furnaces, they was prone to get clogged up and the chimneys, and then they would catch a fire. Even a lot of the boiler systems like that, where it's heated by coal, did the same thing. But look at this. I mean, we have a huge. This is really bad. We even got some issues with some termites happening, old termites happening. But anyway, that's what you're looking for, folks. Just like this right here. Whoop, there's a little old past knob and tube. Anyway, that's what you're looking for. These fire burnt rafters are not good, and they need replaced. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos, and share with your friends. Hit like and subscribe, share with your friends our videos, and so they can also learn what you're learning right now. That way you guys can have something together and work together with it, and maybe even share with your real estate agent friends, other building friends. This is what you need to know. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. Appreciate you watching our videos. Galloway Building Services.